At John Deere Power System, we believe a powerful engine is just the beginning. To maximize your investment and ensure peak performance, we offer comprehensive aftermarket support. Firstly, our lifecycle service solution package includes customized maintenance plans, power guard protection plans, and John Deere connected support to minimize downtime and maximize productivity. In addition, we offer a tiered portfolio of parts to meet your needs and budget. This includes genuine John Deere parts for your critical applications, remanufactured parts for cost effectiveness, and alternative parts as an economical solution for both John Deere and other equipment brands. Furthermore, with over 9,000 service locations worldwide, our highly trained technicians are equipped with the latest tools and technologies to provide efficient and reliable service wherever your equipment operates. To fully benefit from our comprehensive aftermarket offering, it's important to register your engine. By doing so, you gain access to customized service recommendations, proactive maintenance, and exclusive resources. This helps you stay informed about your engine's health and make decisions to maximize its performance and lifespan. In short, we are committed to providing more than just powerful engines. We offer a partnership that delivers exceptional value and peace of mind throughout the life cycle of your equipment. Keep your equipment running strong with John Deere Power Systems.